1. Which sentence is in the present simple tense? Correct answer is B. She goes to the store. 2. Which verb form is correct for he in the present simple tense? Correct answer is B. Runs. 3. How do you form the present simple tense for the verb to be with I? Correct answer is C. I am. 4. Choose the correct present simple question form. Correct answer is B. Does she like coffee? 5. Which sentence is correct? Correct answer is B. They are happy. 6. Identify the correct present simple sentence. Correct answer is C. We play soccer every weekend. 7. Which sentence is in the present simple tense? Correct answer is B. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. 8. How do you form the negative of I go to school? Correct answer is C. I do not go to school. 9. Which sentence is correct? Correct answer is C. He does not like pizza. 10. Choose the correct present simple question. Correct answer is D. Do they go to the gym? 11. Which sentence uses the present simple tense correctly? Correct answer is B. She speaks English very well. 12. How do you form the present simple tense for we with the verb to have? Correct answer is C. We have. 13. Identify the present simple negative sentence. Correct answer is D. She does not like ice cream. 14. Choose the correct present simple question form. Correct answer is D. Does he play tennis? 15. Which sentence is in the present simple tense? Correct answer is B. I work at a hospital.